Good morning, students. So today I'm going to discuss some of the short word problems, not so lengthy, short word problems of area and its boundary. So before starting this, I would just want to say that the formula, important formula, already I have given. So just go through the formulas and just memorize it. Okay, all those formulas are very important and you have to apply in the word problems. So let's start. So the first question is, find the area and perimeter of a rectangle which is 123 cm long and 70 cm broad. So this is the question. One rectangle is given, length and breadth is given, you have to find the area and perimeter. So since this is a word problem, you have to write down certain statement. So what is the statement? Length 123 cm and breadth 70 cm. It's given. Now area formula. Area formula is length into breadth. So 123 into 70, and your unit I have already given one unit. In case of area, it will be centimeter square. Why? Because here there is 2 centimeter. Here 123 and here 70 cm. So when you are multiplying this 2 centimeter, that you have to write down centimeter square. If you forget to write down centimeter square in case of area, then your half marks will be deducted for the unit. So be very careful about the unit. In case of area, it will be either centimeter square or meter square. Here it is centimeter, so you have to write down centimeter square. So 123 into 70 centimeter square, answer is 8610 centimeter square. So this is the first case, area. Now second one is perimeter. So perimeter formula is 2 into, in bracket, length plus breadth. So 2 into, in bracket, length is 123 and breadth is 70, then bracket close, in cm. In perimeter, you have seen, or the unit is only cm. So 2 into, if you add this 2, it will come 193. So 2 into 193 cm, so it is only 386 cm. So area is 8610 cm square and perimeter is 386 cm. So first you have to memorize these two formulas, or you have already done in class 4. So no need to memorize. You already know this formula. Now the second question. Find the area and perimeter of a square whose side is 500 cm. So, you know already, because all sides of a square are equal, so only one side is given 500 cm. So all the sides will be 500 cm. You have to find out the area and perimeter. So side is given 500 centimeter. Now area formula is side into side. So it will be 500 into 500. Unit will be centimeter square. So if you multiply, your answer is coming 250,000 centimeter square. Because it is given in centimeter, that's why centimeter square. Next one is perimeter. So perimeter formula is 4 into side. 4 into side. So 4 into 500 cm. Your answer will come 2000 cm. So area is side into side and perimeter is 4 into side. Simple. Next question. Find the area of a square in meter square whose side is 600 cm. Now, here you have to be careful, because you have to find the area of a square and you have to find the answer in meter square. So, what you have to do is, first, here the side is given 600 centimeter and you have to find the answer in meter square. So first you have to change the side in meter. So how to do? Side is given 600 cm. Okay. So this 600 cm first you have to convert in meter. We know how to convert. So from centimeter to meter you have to divide with 100. So 600 by 100 means 6 meter. So that means 600 cm means 6 meter. Now area formula is side into side. So 6 into 6 meters square, because here we have converted in meters. So your answer is 36 meters square. Because here the question is you have to find the area in meter square. So first you have to change this centimeter in meter. Then you have to multiply 36 meters square. The last question is find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 300 centimeter and breadth is 2 meter. Here also see length is given in centimeter and breadth is given in meter. So what we'll do? So what I have done, length is given 300 centimeter. Okay, I have converted this 300 centimeter in meter. So by 100, 0 cancelled, 3 meter. And breadth is also given 2 meter. So what I have done, I have converted all the length and breadth in meter. Because breadth is already given in meter, I have already converted this 300 cm in m. So you can also do like this. You can convert this meter in centimeter also. Same thing. If you want to write length 300 cm and breadth equals to 2 meter means 200 cm, then find out the perimeter. That is also correct. Your answer will come in centimeter and here my answer will come in meter because I have converted this 300 centimeter in meter. So length is 300 cm means 3 meter and breadth is already given 2 meter. So perimeter formula is 2 into length plus breadth. L means length, B means breadth. Okay. So don't get confused. L means length, B means breadth. 2 into L plus B. Now put the formula, put the values. 2 into length is 3 and breadth is 2 and meter, because we know in case of perimeter your unit will be either meter or centimeter, and here we have converted in meter. Both are in meter, so your answer will be in meter. So 2 into 3 plus 2 means 5. 5 into 2, 10 meter. So here you have to be careful about two things. First is about the unit, and second one, sometimes you have to convert in same unit. Here see 300 cm and 2 meter I have converted in all meter. Here 300 cm I have converted in meter, and in the previous question you see you have to find the answer in meter square. So at first only I have converted this 600 centimeter in meter, and then I have found out the area. So about the change of the unit and about the unit of area and perimeter, you have to be very careful. So today up to this much. Thank you.